Available now at Tri-State Bobcat, a used 2018 BOBCAT S650 with just 1,882 hours. This machine is fully loaded with factory options, starting with an enclosed cab with heat and air conditioning, power BOB-TACH for fast attachment changes, and sound reduction for a quieter, more comfortable ride. You'll also get the DELUXE instrument panel with keyless start, a 7-pin attachment control kit, and high-flow hydraulics delivering an impressive 30.5 gallons per minute of auxiliary flow. With 2-speed travel, you can boost top speed up to 12.3 miles per hour, and the hydraulic bucket positioning keeps your load level while lifting. BOBCAT's advanced control system lets operators choose between hand controls or foot controls at the flip of a switch, perfect for any operator preference. Under the hood, you've got a 74 horsepower tier, 4-turbo diesel engine, variable flow auxiliary hydraulics, front and rear lights, suspension seat, and all the essentials, from glow plugs and backup alarm to the BOBCAT interlock control system. To learn more or schedule a demo, contact our sales team today at Tri-State Bobcat.